What's good, everybody? GetGudMillhouse back at it again with another video, and this is something I was doing on Twitch during my Inktober speedrun. If you guys want to check out the entire VOD, you guys can always go down to my Twitch channel at GetGudMillhouse. And if you ever want to see any of my Inktober stuff that I posted on Instagram, you can always check out the Instagram with the same name. Moving on, this is just a little bit of an update video, letting you guys know what's going on with my life, because right now things are getting kind of crazy. So right now I am currently in the Rad How To class with Ethan Becker. It's the Steal Like a Pro, Steal Like a Artist Pro Edition, something like that. Stupid. But I've been really into that class. It's a really great class, and I highly suggest anyone to invest the money and get that course, because Ethan Becker was dropping mad game. Kind of like gives you like an idea of what they do in the industry, which, you know, a lot of us, we can like get the advice here and there, but just watching him work and explain his process really opened up a lot of doors for me mentally, and seeing some things that I could totally do on my own as well. So I highly suggest you guys to get that course. So right now I will be filming a lot of my animations. I just finished my redesign of my original character for I guess the Peter Parker stand-in. Changed up a few things, changed out his costume just a little bit, so he looks like he's his own character. There are some influences from Street Fighter and Spider-Man as well, but it's not too on the nose. If you guys know what I mean. You know, it's like, here's Peter Parker and I just slapped on Ryu's costume. Here's his Spider-Man costume. I just slapped on the Spider-Man costume and just added a few new things. So I'm redoing it because I would like to actually be a real thing, and I don't want any beef with Disney/Marvel, or I don't want Capcom coming after my head. So it's still gonna have that feel of Street Fighter and Spider-Man in it, no matter what, but the designs are going to be way different. So I have a big question for you guys, and I really want you guys to voice your opinion on this. I will be recording it, as you guys know. I'll be documenting my entire process and all that stuff. I just want you guys to voice out your opinion and see what you guys want as of content, because you guys are the ones that I'm making these videos for. I'm not doing it for myself. So would you want me to do a quick rundown, or do you want me to just slice up the Clip Studio Paint animation stuff as a single tutorial, as of this is how you understand your workspace, and this is how you would animate on Clip Studio Paint, the uses of vector layers versus regular raster layers, and how I would approach coloring and shading and all that fun stuff that we love to see in animation. I also will be throwing them into Blender as well. So really voice your opinions. If you guys want me to do like a 2-hour long video on everything, or you want like a nice little 10-minute video that you can walk away with and have it be easily digestible mentally. The choice is yours. But with that being said, I just really would like your output on it, you know, your opinions, because I want to make this stuff for you guys. Still looking for more people to help with the process, but as of now, you know, we got like a nice little team. This is so funny because like just thinking about it as being like a silly idea, now I'm like, oh, I'm super serious about it now. So yeah, I'll be also picking up some animation gigs, as well as working on the Ethan Becker homework as well. If you guys want to get some snippets of that as well, let me know. I'm not gonna like take stuff from the class itself, but there are some amazing ass resources that I've learned from the class and Discord and other places around the internet, which makes me really stress the fact that you don't need to go to college. Like, I didn't get any of these resources when I went to college. Websites that can help with concept art or character designs, places you can go for animation inspiration. The list goes on and on. If you guys would like a video on that, let me know in the comment section as well. I think that is roughly about it. I'm not sure, because this is like my 12th time recording over this, and I thought I was good, but then the audio was trash. this app that I'm using to make this video is trash, and I'm just trying to, you know, put some sprinkles on this trash, so to speak. Um, yeah, if you'd like to see any of my other Inktober illustrations, you guys can find on Instagram. What else is new? I do have a website up. I will put the link in the description. My Patreon is also up as well. And you guys can also direct me on what you guys would like to see on Patreon. I also make stickers, shirts, and stuff like that at home. That can be one of those goodies that I just give away. I tend to give out like a lot of free swag, a lot of free stuff actually. So even if you go on my Etsy page and you buy like one sticker or something, I tend to like just pack it up with like 3 or 4 extra stickers or shit. The last one I packed in like 5. But that's it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Give this video a like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video.